Stonehenge is situated on the Salisbury Plain in the south of England, standing quite isolated on the green grass. Today, it may appear to be just a simple circle of stones, but it is one of the most renowned megalithic monuments from the Bronze Age. Archaeologists estimate its age to be around 5,000 years old. The first modern descriptions of it appeared in the 17th century. Ever since then, Stonehenge has become a powerful symbol of great mystery. Who could have possibly erected these enormous ancient stones? And why is that? From above, the overall design becomes perfectly clear. Earth circles a ditch in stones, forming a single, cohesive, planned structure. Nothing here is random. Before the massive stones, there already stood a henge here, an elevated earthen ring encircled by a ditch. What's quite interesting is that, at Stonehenge, the ditch is located on the outer side of the embankment, which is contrary to what is typically found in other henges. Within this circular area, the ancient builders excavated 56 precisely aligned cavities, which are now known as the Aubrey holes. Archaeological excavations have revealed urns containing cremated remains within these holes, suggesting that the monument also served as a significant burial ground. All evidence suggests that, right from its inception, Stonehenge was a crucial ceremonial center, intrinsically linked to death and the remembrance of ancestors. Some of Stonehenge's stones are not from the area. These are the so-called bluestones, originating from mountains in Wales. Researchers believe they were cut and dragged on wooden sleds, pulled by ropes and many people. For part of the journey, these stones may have traveled by water on simple rafts guided by rivers and the coast. After a journey spanning hundreds of kilometers, the bluestones finally arrive at Salisbury Plain, where an ancient henge structure already stood. Some reconstruction suggests that Stonehenge's very first stone circle was built precisely with these bluestones. The largest blocks at Stonehenge are the sarsens, which are enormous sandstone rocks brought from Marlborough Downs, a site located approximately 30 kilometers to the north. To erect each massive pillar, the ancient builders utilized earth ramps, wooden structures, and thick ropes, carefully raising each stone inch by painstaking inch. The lintels positioned high up are not loose. They are fitted with mortise and tenon joints. A true example of stone joinery, with the outer circle and the inner horseshoe of completed trilithons. Some of these blocks can weigh over 40 tons. The main axis of the monument is aligned with the rising sun at the time of the summer solstice and the setting sun at the time of the winter solstice, thus marking the year's most crucial moments. After decades of extensive excavations, much about Stonehenge has become clearer, yet the questions still outweigh the answers. One prevailing hypothesis views the circle as a temple for rituals, likely conducted by religious elites. While the image of druids is modern, the fundamental idea of worship there is ancient. Another line of research views Stonehenge as an astronomical observatory, a place to mark solstices, lunar cycles, and perhaps even eclipses. Studies of ancient bones and teeth suggest people traveled from distant lands. This fuels the theory of a healing center where the blue stones were believed to possess special powers. It's certain that these stones still hold many secrets. If you'd like more 3D simulations of mysteries and history, subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications.